house in France might seem daunting when you don't understand how things work, but this short video will take you through the process, and once you understand it, you'll see how simple it can really be. We recommend you start by defining your search. Creating a list is a great place to start. A list of what's important to you, where in France you want to live, and of course, what's your budget. France is a big country and everywhere has something different to offer, so have a look at our website or give our sales team a call. Once you know what and where you're looking, the fun can start, planning a viewing trip. It's really good to make sure that your finances are in place before you come out to view properties. And if you need a mortgage, it's a good idea to speak to some people and have something agreed in principle before you set your heart on a property. This puts you in a much better negotiating position if you find a house that you like. While we're on the subject of finance, it's also good to speak to a currency conversion company at this stage. Once you've found a property that you want, it's time to make an offer. You shouldn't make an offer unless you're totally committed to the purchase of the property though, as it's very common that the vendor won't show the property again once an offer has been accepted. When you've made an offer, you should really stop viewing properties or it could cause confusion for all parties involved. Your agent will negotiate the deal for you and will keep you up to date on how the negotiations are progressing. Once your offer has been accepted, your agent will immediately collect together all of the necessary documents needed for the sale. The compromis de vente is the first of 2 legally binding documents that you'll sign as part of your French property purchase. This document is detailed and will contain almost all of the information that's in the final acte de vente that you sign to become the owner of the house. It's important that you understand this document before signing it, and your Leggett agent will help you with any questions or queries that you might have. Once you and the vendor have both signed the compromis de vente, a 10-day calling off period starts. This represents the last time in which you can withdraw from the purchase without losing a 10% deposit, which becomes payable at the end of this period. Once the 10 days have passed, there's usually a period of 3 to 4 months where the notaire undertakes all of the necessary work to complete the sale. Finally, a date will be set for the completion of the sale, which is when you will sign the final acte de vente. This will usually take place in France, and you'll need to ensure that the funds are with the notaire before this date and that you have insurance taken out on the property. At the end of this meeting, you will be given the keys to your new home and become the proud owners of a French property.